If you've noticed that the microphone icon is missing from your keyboard or your dictation feature isn't working on your iPhone, it can be pretty annoying, especially if you use voice to text for quick messages or notes. Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. Solution 1. Enable dictation or microphone. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down again and tap on Keyboard. Now toggle on Enable Dictation. If it's already on, turn it off and then back on. Solution 2. Check Siri and search settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Ensure that both Listen for Hey Siri and Press Side button for Siri are enabled. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Check for restrictions. Open the Settings app, then tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that content and privacy restrictions are disabled. Solution 4. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Open the Settings app, then tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Lastly, tap on Reset, then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. By following these steps, you should be able to get your microphone icon back and have the dictation feature working again on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, drop a comment below and let me know.